Now, your local forecast from C9's Weather Team.
It's been an active last few days in the Weather Center, and it will continue tonight and tomorrow. We have a flash flood watch in effect for Emmett and Palo Alto counties in north central Iowa. You could see up to 1 to 2 inches of rain possible there, with 3 to 4 inches in some of those stronger storms. So we are keeping an eye on that. Otherwise, it's quieter right now. We have some clouds in Storm Lake and in downtown Sioux City on the Port Newalty Company Skycam HD. Very gloomy with those clouds, but they do look pretty neat, I must say. Temperatures are vastly different thanks to that cold front. We're looking at 90s south and east of Sioux City, 90 in Carroll, 91 in Omaha, but 70s north and west in South Dakota. So a very large difference in temperatures with that cold front sitting really right over Sioux City. Those dew points are doing the same thing. Very warm and muggy in the mid 70s in Iowa, but then some cooler, drier 60s in South Dakota. So it's this area right here with that moisture that's going to help fuel some of those storms, and that's where we could see a threat for severe weather tonight. Now, those winds are also changing with that front. We have south winds in Iowa and north winds in Nebraska and South Dakota as that front sits right over Sioux City. Right now, it's fairly quiet. We're not seeing much, but there are some light showers forming in Iowa right there, and that's the line that we're watching to see some of those stronger storms. That line from Denison towards Fort Dodge. It is a small chance that we'll see some severe weather, but we are keeping an eye on that chance. So there's a slight risk for severe weather tonight south and east of Sioux City. And again, we could see some of these wind and hail come together with some storms within the next few hours as some storms try to develop in that very moisture-filled air mass there. That chance continues tomorrow with some severe weather. It's a smaller chance. We have a marginal risk south and east of Sioux City, but it's not a zero chance. So keeping an eye on the possibilities for some strong storms there too. If we do see any storms form tonight, wind, hail, and localized flooding will be the threats. Localized flooding will be threats, especially as we head towards midnight and some stronger storms come together with some more of that heavy rain, and that tornado threat is low. So we stay in that stormy pattern. Some storms possible within the next few hours south and east of Sioux City, and then more of us get in on those storms around midnight, and they linger through the morning hours with those temperatures staying very steady in the 70s, very warm and muggy tonight. You can see those clouds really filling in along that front in Sioux City, and that line is really stretching up into those northern states as well. Some watches in effect in Wisconsin and in northeast Iowa there. Here's that front. It's the same front that brought us showers and storms on Sunday. It's just stalled, not going anywhere. So we could see those showers and storms really start to develop within the next few hours. But then as we get closer to midnight, that's where we could see some more of those storms. And you see those heavy pockets of rain. That's what I'm talking about when I say localized flooding. We could see some of that through the overnight hours. Tomorrow, those showers and storms continue as the front doesn't really move much. As we head through the evening hours, that chance dwindles as the front finally makes its way out of here. Sunshine on Thursday, something we haven't seen in a while, but storms do return for Friday. They'll be pretty likely with another system that comes through. Rain chances, or your rain forecast rather, for tonight, about 1 to 2 inches possible by the end of tomorrow, with some more rain possible north central Iowa, where they have that flash flood watch in effect. Otherwise, tonight 70 degrees, more storms likely, very warm and muggy. Tomorrow 80, more rounds of storms, mostly cloudy. And then the 7-day, we have a small break on Thursday. Really beautiful sunshine there. And then by Friday, we bring in some more showers and storms. And that weekend looks fabulous. Mid and upper 70s and a ton of sunshine.
Kind of fall-like, too, on
Very
Saturday.
Very
That will be
fall-like.
nice. Thanks, Lisa.